engaging autonomous auto start. Sending in 3, 2, sending. Autonomous takeoff. Just completing into a stable hover. You can see the first obstacle coming into the flight path, and there's a left-hand turn to avoid the large no-fly zone. We're entering the cityscape now. You see the aircraft maneuvering between the simulated buildings. And there's the flight plan home. Sending in 3, 2, sending. Flight plan on the way home, 3 waypoints, and then that final waypoint is a landing waypoint, so the aircraft will come in at 90 knots approach speed, decelerating for touchdown.